We take time to study each customer's energy consumption and requirements, and we try and customise a system to meet their needs. And we do educate customers. We believe having informed customers and helping them make the right decision, and it also gives them, I guess, a higher satisfaction when they do realise they've made the best decision for their needs. I think homeowners should have a company come out and meet with them, discuss their energy requirements, look at the property, look at any constraints, whether it's shading or, look at the electrical infrastructure, calculate, what they can put on. So that's very important to get a site assessment done by a professional. So we look at the home, we look at what roofs available, discuss the different options as far as products goes. We want to try and get the best result for their roof space and their energy profile. So we'll sit down with them and discuss that. We don't just have a cookie cut approach. We want to customise a solar design to help meet the customer's load profile and energy requirements.